Lisbon is one of Europe's most magical cities, bursting with color, history, and flavor at every turn. From pastel buildings and intricate tiles to the aroma of fresh pastries, this city is a feast for the senses. In this video, I'll show you the 10 best things to do in Lisbon, including a hidden spot most tourists miss. Let's get started. Begin your Lisbon adventure by hopping aboard the legendary Tram 28, a charming vintage yellow tram that has become a symbol of the city itself. This tram isn't just a way to get around, it's a living piece of Lisbon's history, offering a unique and nostalgic journey through the heart of the Portuguese capital. As Tram 28 winds its way through the city's most iconic neighborhoods, you'll be treated to a moving panorama of Lisbon's vibrant life. The route takes you through the historic districts of Alfama, Graça, and Baixa, where every corner tells a story and every street is steeped in tradition. Step inside and you'll find polished wooden seats and gleaming brass fittings, while the cheerful clanging of the tram's bell echoes through the narrow streets. The gentle rocking of the tram, combined with the sights of beautifully tiled facades and the sounds of locals going about their day, transports you back in time to old Lisbon. For the best experience, set out early in the morning to avoid the crowds and enjoy a more peaceful ride. Watching the city wake up from the window of Tram 28 is a magical way to start your day. Feel free to hop off whenever a neighborhood or a view catches your eye. Each stop along the route has its own unique charm, from hidden cafes to scenic overlooks and lively markets. Exploring these areas on foot lets you discover the true character of Lisbon. Gazing out the window, you'll see sweeping views of the city's red rooftops, ancient churches, and the sparkling Tagus River. Tram 28 isn't just public transport, it's a moving window into Lisbon's soul, connecting you to the city's past and present. If you do just one thing in Lisbon, make it a ride on Tram 28. It's an unforgettable experience that captures the spirit, charm, and timeless beauty of this remarkable city. Next, immerse yourself in the magic of Alfama, the oldest and most enchanting district in Lisbon. This neighborhood is a living tapestry of history, culture, and daily life, where every corner tells a story and every street invites you to wander a little further. Alfama's charm lies in its authenticity, with a maze of winding alleys that have remained largely unchanged for centuries. As you stroll through its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll discover tiny family-run cafes tucked between vibrant pastel-colored homes. The air is often filled with the soulful sounds of Fado music, drifting from open windows, or performed live by passionate musicians on street corners. Alfama is also famous for its beautiful azulejo-tiled facades and bursts of street art, adding even more color and character to the neighborhood. The sense of history is everywhere you look, from ancient Roman ruins and centuries-old churches to weathered stone buildings that have stood the test of time. You'll find traditional markets and local shops selling handmade crafts, giving you a glimpse into the daily lives of Alfama's residents. Don't miss the chance to visit a Miradouro, a scenic viewpoint where you can gaze out over the terracotta rooftops, winding streets, and the sparkling Tagus River. At sunset, the entire district glows with golden light, creating a truly unforgettable panorama of Lisbon. If you want to experience the true heart and soul of Lisbon, Alfama is where you'll find it. Here, locals and visitors mingle, children play in the streets, and neighbors greet each other warmly. It's a place where tradition and community are alive, making every visit a unique and memorable experience. For the best panoramic view, climb to Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. From here, you'll see red-tiled roofs, the Tagus River, and famous landmarks, all in one breathtaking sweep. It's quieter than other viewpoints, perfect for relaxing with a coffee or pastel de nata as the sun sets. Photographers will love the postcard-worthy scenes from every angle. This is the spot to pause, breathe, and soak in Lisbon's beauty. No trip to Lisbon is complete without seeing Belém Tower, a symbol of Portugal's age of discovery. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands on the river's edge, its intricate stonework telling stories of explorers and adventure. Climb the narrow stairs for sweeping views, and imagine ships setting off for distant lands. Inside, discover cannon openings, old prison cells, and lookout points. Belém Tower is a portal into Portugal's incredible maritime legacy. You can't visit Lisbon without tasting Pastéis de Nata, the city's legendary custard tarts. Head to Pastéis de Belém for the original recipe, served warm and dusted with cinnamon. Grab a beaker, a strong espresso, and savor the perfect balance of crunchy pastry and creamy custard. Whether you eat them at the counter or riverside, it's a sweet taste of Lisbon life. Trust me, one won't be enough. For a creative twist, explore LX Factory, a former industrial complex turned artsy hotspot. Wander through warehouses filled with street art, quirky shops, and hip cafes. There's always something happening, from live music to pop-up markets. Grab a coffee or head to the rooftop bar for killer views of the bridge and river. LX Factory is where Lisbon's creative spirit comes alive. Step into the awe-inspiring Jerónimos Monastery, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture. Marvel at the ornate carvings, soaring columns, and peaceful cloisters. This UNESCO site is also the resting place of explorer Vasco da Gama. The details here celebrate Portugal's seafaring past and spirit of adventure. Take your time. This landmark is truly unforgettable. The 25 de Abril Bridge is Lisbon's answer to the Golden Gate. A striking red suspension bridge that instantly captures your attention. Its bold color and elegant design make it one of the city's most recognizable landmarks, and it's often compared to its San Francisco cousin for good reason. Opened in 1966, this engineering marvel connects Lisbon to Almada, symbolizing unity and progress for the city. Spanning the wide Tagus River, the bridge offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city is bathed in a warm, golden glow, and the bridge's silhouette becomes even more dramatic against the colorful sky. It's a magical time to experience Lisbon's beauty. For the best vantage points, head to the riverside promenades or nearby viewpoints. Here, you can watch the bridge stand out majestically against the evening sky, creating the perfect backdrop for memorable photos. The area is lively, filled with locals and visitors soaking in the atmosphere. Or, for a unique perspective, hop on a ferry that crosses the Tagus. From the water, you'll get an incredible view of the bridge's massive structure and the city beyond. A must for any photographer or sightseer. The ferry ride itself is a fun way to experience Lisbon from a different angle. The lively area beneath the bridge is perfect for people watching and soaking up Lisbon's vibrant energy. Street performers, cozy cafes, and riverside benches invite you to linger and enjoy the scene. Don't miss the chance to experience this iconic symbol of Lisbon's connection to the world, a true highlight of any visit to the city. Baixa is Lisbon's vibrant downtown, where history meets modern life. Stroll wide boulevards, explore bustling squares, and enjoy elegant architecture. Start at Praça do Comércio and wander pedestrian streets filled with shops and cafes. Ride the Santa Justa lift for unbeatable city views. Baixa is where Lisbon's energy shines brightest. To truly understand Lisbon, you have to experience Fado music, Portugal's soulful emotional sound. Head to an intimate tavern in Alfama or Barro Alto for a live performance. The singer's voice and Portuguese guitar will move you, even if you don't know the words. Fado is more than music. It's the heart of Lisbon's culture and community. Don't miss this unforgettable night out. Lisbon is full of charm, history, and unforgettable moments. Whether you're riding a tram, tasting pastries, or watching the sunset, I hope this guide inspires you to explore and fall in love with Lisbon. Let me know your favorite spot or what you'd try first in the comments below. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, happy travels.